Hi everyone, welcome to my home. I'm Liz at Desert Decor, and Sinkology team is here checking out my new kitchen renovation, so welcome. What drew me to the French farmhouse style, I think, are just the vintage elements. I love all the chippy detail, the subdued colors, and when you think of being in France, I think you think of relaxation and just chilling. And I love that feeling in my home. I just love a really relaxed feeling in subdued colors and pieces in my home that have a story. So that's where the antiques in the French country kind of come in. So what I love about this sofa is the grain sack detail on it. And I love the French blue detail of the color on this. That's my jam. And one of my favorite things about the sofa is actually the caster wheels on the front. This gets a lot of love from my followers on Instagram. They really are crazy about this antique church view. I love just adding layers and textures of greenery and pillows. And my newest addition are these gorgeous signs by Harper Grace. I custom designed these and I call these love letter signs. We recently refinished this dining room table. I stripped the tabletop and the bench and chalk painted the base of the table. It was a labor of love, but I love how it came out. I'm so glad you guys came along. Thank you, Sinkology, and have a great day.